Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change or modify the Active Directory users or group attribute value. Right, so I'll show you step by step, but before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel and if you have not subscribed yet IT Parivar, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. So let's start now. This is my local PC, and let me jump on my domain controller. So this is my Active Directory server, or you can say domain controller, right? So let me open here Active Directory users and computers, and we'll see how we can modify or change the Active Directory users attribute value. Okay, so here you can see the domain name is parivar.local, and I'm going to expand this, and this is test.ou, and here you can see there is one user, that is test1, right? So I want to modify this user attribute value, and for that we have to go to the properties, and here we need to find the attribute. So you can see here there is no any attribute value, right? There is no any attribute option. So what you need to do, you have to click here on the view option and click on the advanced feature. Okay, and then go to the test.ou. Okay, and check. Or if you want, if you have multiple users, and if you want to find that user from here, so you can find in this way, and you can go to the properties. Okay, and from here you can go to the attribute, but here you can see, and instead of we set the view option as a advanced feature, but here it is not showing the attribute value attribute option, right? So what you need to do, you need to go to the object, and you have to check like that user or group is in which OU. So you can see here atparivar.local, this is domain name, and the OU is test OU. In same way, you have one OU. In my case, I have created here test OU, and within that test OU there is one test1 user, right? So you have to go to the that relevant or respective OU in which uh, user or groups is residing, right? So let me close this. So you already checked like the user is in which OU. So here the user is in test OU. In same way, you have to find your user and go to the properties, and then you can see here the attribute option, right? You can see here a lot of attributes. So as per your requirement, you can modify the attribute. If you're not aware like which attribute is for which purpose is being used, like what is the use of these attributes, right? So you can do the, you can go to the Google and you can search in this way like Active Directory attribute list. Okay, so there are a lot of articles available where you can find that which attribute is responsible for what is the purpose of the attribute, right? You can see here these are attributes name like home phone, pager, other mobile, other mobiles. Okay, in same way you can see title, department, company. Okay, so these are the attributes, and you can find these attributes here also on the user attribute option. So let me show you like title or telephone number, right? Here you can see title. So suppose if you have to modify this like title as a manager, so you have to select this and edit. If user is a manager, so you can set here to manager and say okay. You can see, right? So the attribute value will be modified once we'll click to apply and okay, right? So in this way, guys, you can modify the user's attributes value, okay, as per your requirement. Okay, there are a lot of attributes. As I already told you, you can do Google and you can find out which attribute is will be used for what purpose. Okay, what is the use of the attributes? I think you can you will be aware now. Okay, so let me say okay and close this window. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel IT Parivar, and there are a lot of videos available on my channel, so you can go and watch those informative videos. And if you have any query, just leave your comment. Thanks. Bye bye.